All right.
This is so good. Just sharing ideas. Like, I came to get my nails done, but I'm actually getting a lot of business tips.
Yes.
And it makes me think about how women need women.
That is so true. Women's circles are so important.
Women. Yes, yes. And nothing against men, but women, we need each other. And there's so many ladies out there who someone hurt their feelings and now they say things like, I don't mess with women, I don't like women, women are messy. And when I hear that, I'm thinking, do you like yourself? Because you're a woman, you're making this blanket statement, right? And I just think it's the enemy's way of just breaking down opportunities for us to be the community that is almost like it's in our DNA to be communal. Right?
Absolutely.
Right.
And I think with you being a therapist, and so you come from two different angles, a spiritual angle and a therapy background. So you can see that, like you can pull that out, and man, you just hit the nail on the coffin. There's so many women that have been traumatized by one woman or a few women or even their mom. A lot of women have mommy issues.
Yep.
I'm sure you deal with that too.
That's actually my specialization. That's the first important relationship that we have the opportunity to take advantage of. And we don't always get to take advantage of it because sometimes the mom ain't ready. You know, sometimes the mom is on some of the same stuff of, I don't like women, I don't like myself, and look who they just gave birth to, right? An extension of themselves. And so they can't give that extension of themselves something that they can't even give themselves, right?
Come on.
So I think the other piece that I think is faulty about that whole idea of I don't like women, women are this, women are that, and you're a woman, is how many chances have you given these guys? A lot of times these are the same people who've been in toxic relationships, who've been treated poorly, cheated on, you name it, but they'll give a man chance after chance after chance. And this is definitely not to say, you know, I'm preaching don't forgive anybody, and you know, he caught you slipping, and so now you got to start slipping and tripping. It's not that. It's just saying, why would I give more grace to someone that I wouldn't even give to someone else? So why am I giving more grace to men, but a woman, she has one time to mess up, and now you don't mess with any women? And then this could even be not even in the same relationship. A person may have had some toxic dealings with men romantically, but it doesn't make you say right off the top necessarily, that's why all men are this way, and that's why. And I know usually by the time someone is saying all men are a certain way, it's because they've given multiple chances or had multiple relationships. But sometimes it could literally be one woman says or does something that another woman doesn't like, and now all of a sudden, I don't deal with women.
You know, I find that so interesting because, you know, growing up, I've always admired how my son's father, they had these male relationships that all their friends have been been together since they were like little kids.
Yeah.
And then us women, we tend to not find a true woman friend until we like are older, or a women's group. But sometimes we may not even have that many women friends. Where I see men always have like these powerful cliques, like the men do this and the men do that.